Okay, so as you can see, I have my bake on and we're gonna get started with the eyes. I'm starting with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer as an eye primer. Just taking any brush and tapping that in. So today I'm going to be doing like a dusty rose, like purpley cut crease, and I'm going to make it like a simple cut crease so everybody can follow along. I'm starting off with the Colourpop You Have Me at Hello palette. I love this palette because it brings these beautiful like everyday shades, but it also has like these purple shades that are kind of like a cooler undertone, so it can look like nice and mauve-y. That was the word I was looking for, mauve, not dusty, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna start off with this palette and go into this shade right here, 2 Ps, with an all over fluffy blending brush and putting that all in my crease. So now I'm gonna go into Winning Ticket right here with a more tapered, more precise crease brush and putting that in my crease. I'm doing these windshield wiper motions and also small little circles to blend with the first shade. Now we're dipping into the shade Want You Back to go more precise into our crease and start deepening it up. I'm using a smaller brush to get more precise. This is the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered. Again, soft motions, windshield wiper, and small circles. With a cut crease, I like to bring it very far in so it looks nice. Now, you don't have to worry about being extremely precise since the concealer is going to clean up any mistakes, but you don't want to go overboard either, because if your shade blends in with your concealer, it's just going to look muddy on your eyelid. Okay, next we're gonna go into this shade over here, really deepen up the crease line. This one's called Sparks Fly. I'm taking a tapered crease brush. It's nice and pointed at the end. And we're just gonna take it and put it right in our crease. It looks a little messy, but this is definitely one of those looks that looks bad until it looks good. So don't worry. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and blend out any edges. We're gonna keep on blending later, but I'm just gonna blend this really quickly. Okay, so I look crazy. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna fix it. I'm gonna take this regular baby wipe and just kind of carve out where I would want to put my concealer to really carve it out. So I'm just gonna go in with this wipe. You can use a makeup wipe, it'll probably be better, but I don't have any at the moment, so this will do. It's okay if it looks a little weird. We're gonna have to blend everything after our cut crease is cut. Okay, so if you saw my last video, you saw this brush. This is the Wet n Wild Smoky Liner Brush. I got this at the dollar store, but I think that it would be amazing to cut your crease because of it's like super thin and it's kind of wide compared to this Luxie 245, which is a small shader brush. This one is a little bit more like tapered in, while this one is more wide, so I feel like it'll cover more surface area that way when you're cutting your crease. I don't know, I just think this brush would be great. We're just gonna take some of our concealer or your eye base or whatever you're using for your eyes, and we're gonna use that. Take a little bit on your hand, and we're gonna zoom in on our mirror. Add some concealer, look up, see where it ends, and And we're gonna cut our crease right there. I'm gonna take it and just drag it out like this. Kind of like a cat eye liner. You're just gonna drag it out. Okay, so once our crease is cut, I personally like working with one eye at a time. So now I'm gonna go into this Sultry Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're filling in with rose quartz. I'm using this Vintage Company flat top brush. I'm not spraying it or anything, I'm just going in directly and filling in my lid. Mostly the middle because we're going to use another color for the inner corner. Now we're taking Pearl, same brush, other side, and we're doing the inner corner. Diffuse both colors together. Okay, so now what really makes this a nice and defined cut crease is when you use a brush, kind of like this one, that's just stained. There, I can't really do much about that. And taking in this shade from Colourpop again. This one again is Sparks Fly. And putting it right above. We're just placing. We're gonna blend it out now. We're gonna lift. Fluffy your brush. This is the Luxie 209 large shader. Back into Winning Ticket. So next I'm gonna go into this LA Colors matte liquid liner. If you saw my last video, you would have seen that I actually really like this. I got this at the dollar store. So I'm just gonna do a winged eyeliner. Okay, eyeliner's done. Now to really sharpen everything up, I'm just taking this Luxie 221. This is a flat liner brush. Putting a little bit of concealer and just sharpening up the edge. This is awesome if you mess up on your eyeliner. So last finishing touches, we're going into the knot with the Luxie 141 to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner. For my lower lash line, I'm combining these two colors. Quickly gonna pop on these lashes and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. These are just the Lashaholic lashes. They're pretty lengthening, wispy, so you can still see the eyeshadow through the lash. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed. It was super fun to film this in-depth eye crease tutorial. So if you want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe in the red button, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye!